Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we're back within the mini seminar, which is we're going to talk about the relationship between the human brain and the structure of the user room. But before we're going down to the presentation itself, we're going to introduce a couple of our speakers. So first of all, we've got Alpha Apri Limalita Faristi, and then we've got Ahmad Fauzi Firdaus, and then we've got Fauzan Tiar Asmawan, Alif Saka Villarreal, and the last one is Muhammad Imam Maulana Ar-Rashid. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into our mini presentation, especially our seminar. Okay, so in the overview, we've got introduction, studied data, brain and space connection, the design element that affect the brains, and the conclusion. So in the slide one, Alpha will explain it to you guys.
Okay guys, next introduction. The first one, the environment of a room can influence how the human brain function. It means the surrounding of a room such as lighting, colors, temperature, noise level, cleanliness, and air quality can influence a person's concentration, mood, emotion, creativity, and thinking ability. For example, a bright and tidy room can help the brain stay focused and productive. A dark or noisy room can make it harder for the brain to con- concentrate and might cause stress. Okay. Next, room structure affect focus, creativity, and emotional well-being. It means like room structure includes the size of the room, furniture arrangement, ceiling height, available space, and organization. This element can affect how people think, feel, and behave. For example, the first, a well organized and spacious room helps improve focus. Height ceiling can encourage creativity and open thinking. A small or cluttered room may cause stress and reduce emotional comfort.
Okay, thank you so much, Alpha. And then we're going next to the next slide, which is wait, okay, which is the studied data. And this one is going to explain by Fauzi. So Fauzi, go ahead and explain this slide.
Oke, terima kasih Mr. Raipino. Next slide, studied data. This presentation is supported by scientific research from Med Central. The study explained that different room conditions can influence brain activity, emotional states, and cognitive performance. The findings show that improvement wide for lighting, excessive noise, or clutter can increase stress levels. In contrast, while design space can help improve focus, comfort, and productivity. This proves that the relationship between room design and brand function and support by scientific evidence. Thank you.
Amazing explanation by Mr. Fauzi. And then we're going to move on to the next slide, which is the brain and space connection. And this one is going to be explained by Saka and Fauzan.
Okay, next. On this slide, we are talking about how our brain is closely connected to the space around us. The brain actually responds to things like light, color, room, layout, and noise levels. This means our surroundings don't just affect what we see, but also how we feel, think, and focus. Next by Ocean.
Effect of bad and good environment. When a space is cluttered, messy, or dark, it can increase stress and reduce productivity. On the other hand, when a space is organized and comfortable, it helps improve mental clarity and focus. So our environment play a really important role in supporting our brain performance and overall well-being. Next.
Design elements that affect the brain. Design has a
Okay.
powerful influence on how the brain responds to an environment.
Cut. Cuk, gua ngomong dulu, Cuk. Sabar, Cuk. Oke, dekat ya, Saka.
Yeah, cut.
Okay. Okay, next, we're going to move on to the next slide, which is going to be presented by Mr. Maul itself. Okay, Mr. Maul, you can talk now.
Design elements that affect the brain. Design has a powerful influence on how the brain responds to an environment. One important element is lighting. Natural light have increased serotonin level. We can improve mood, focus, and overall well-being. Another key element is color. Different color creative different psychology and effect. Blue and green are association with calmness and relaxation, making them suitable for space meant for rest. Conclusion is contracts that increases. Alright is energy we can be useful in areas that require attention and exception. Thank you.
Okay, that is all the explanation from all of our speakers. As you guys can see, this is like a couple of photos of the visual example, so you guys can actually describe it by your guys' mind. And I think that's all for this seminar. Um, so, the conclusion that we've got here that the structure of a room can shape the mental state and performances, and the design of space with brain-friendly principle support health, comfort, and efficiency. So I guess that is all from our little project mini seminar. Uh, I hope we will meet again next time. Thank you, everybody, and good afternoon. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.
Yes.
Yo, Don. Tapi cek dulu bentar hasil